Smart foreheads. Printer head. Capping. Head clean. Nozzle test. Ground wire at AVR. Ink tank at ink system. Waste tank. In-use supplies. Nandito naman ang stocks at unused ink at sabli rolls. Sa consumable, ito po ang nagamit naming 1.55 roll. Papijet ink, cyan, magenta, yellow, at black. Naka 792 meters naman kami na last year. Winter daily checklist.